So we've had, over the past couple of weeks, we've had some quite windy weather, and you can see that these garlic have been blown over. I think I'm just going to harvest it. It's probably a bit early. The scapes are starting to form, but not quite there yet in this pot anyway. But I mean, looking at them, look a bit sad there, so I'm just going to dig them up and I'll see what I get. So there's 4 in here. These are Checkmate. That came from last year's garlic that I grew. So here goes. Well, that's nice actually. So that's quite a nice, it's not the biggest, but it's quite a fair size of garlic bulb. So yeah, pleased with that. I mean, quite thick stem here, so I had an idea that it might be okay. They're not all like this though. So there's one. Excellent. Covered in dirt again. Same here. Quite a nice size, and you just get that great smell of garlic when you harvest as well. I'm using the hori knife here, but I'm being very careful because I don't want to pierce the garlic bulb. There we go, lovely. And the last one in this, and this is just probably a 30-litre pot, but it's sort of a basin shape. And the garlic seems to have been quite happy in here. I had put in 5. One died quite early on, or one, yeah, it came up but then died. But the others have grown well. I can't find my trowel, that's why I'm using this hori. I've started packing things away, and I did leave one of my trowels out, but who knows where it is. There we go. So, really pleased with these 4. I'll go along to the other garlic bed and have a look. I might well harvest those as well. Now in this little bed, I've got some more garlic in. Again, everything's collapsed. We got some scapes, but not that many. Some of this is looking a lot smaller, but I'll get this out anyway because it's all fallen over, and we'll see what we have. Chose a good one to begin with. You can see the red tinge to it, which means I know it's Checkmate. So there's a few smaller ones here as I suspected, but a couple, 2 or 3 that are actually quite reasonable size. And that's my garlic harvest. Let's have a look at it together. So there we go. I'm pleased with that. A few wee smaller ones, but some fair sized ones as well, and that will do me nicely. I'm going to save some of this for sowing in the autumn again, but some of it I will definitely be using. and enjoying, I'm sure.